A fluorescent light that doesn't work after changing the bulbs is often due to a faulty starter or a damaged ballast. To address this issue, the starter should be replaced. First, begin by locating the electrical panel and disconnecting the power to the lights. Then, find the starter, which is usually located on the fixing base, and twist it clockwise to remove it. Next, insert a new starter and twist it counterclockwise to secure it. After replacing the starter, put the tube back in place and restore the power to the light. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to change the ballast. To do this, start by disconnecting the power to the lights at the electrical panel. Then remove the fluorescent bulb and take off the cover plate. Disconnect the wires from the old ballast to remove it, and align the new ballast with the existing connections. Reconnect the wires to the new ballast. Reattach the cover plate, and screw the tube back into place. Finally, restore the power to the light and check if the issue has been resolved. By following these steps, a fluorescent light that doesn't work after changing the bulbs can be fixed.